Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a makeup tutorial on this look right here, and I'm using the new Anastasia Norvina palette for this look. This is what the palette looks like here. I'm sure you guys have seen this everywhere right now because it is just the most gorgeous palette. So that's what the shades look like inside. Like, how stunning are those shades? We get lots of shimmery foily eyeshadows up top here, and we get a bunch of mattes at the bottom here too. The shades in this palette are very unique and very Norvina, so yeah, it is a stunning palette. I'm loving this and I'm really looking forward to doing more looks with this palette. Let me know if you would like to see another look using this, maybe something a little bit more everyday wearable using this palette. So yeah, let me know if you would like to see another look, but this is the look that I created today and I'm absolutely loving it. I think it's gorgeous. So before we get started, if you are not subscribed to my channel already, then please do, and also if you enjoy this video then give it the big thumbs up and come and follow me over on my Instagram. I will just leave that right here for you, so come and follow me over there. And yeah, if you want to see how to get this eye look, then let's just go ahead and we'll get started. Okay, so I've already primed my eyes using the L'Oreal Infallible pomade in the shade Light. So I've done that, and now I'm just going to move on to the eyeshadows. So I already have a look in mind. Well, I have like some shades in mind that I want to use. So I really want to dip into the purples in the palette, like this Celestial shade here, this Wild Child shade here, and the shade Soul in that. So I really want to use those in the look, and also I'm going to use the little brush that you get with the palette as well. So I'm going to start with this fluffy side. It is like dual sided, so we get like kind of flat side here and a more kind of puffy blending side. So I'm going to use this and pick up the shade Love, which is this really gorgeous kind of pinky dusty pinky shade just right here, and I'm just going to basically apply that all over my eye, like in my crease and everything like that, as my kind of like transitional base shade. Now I'm going to take the shade Volatile, which is the shade just right here. It's kind of like a greyish colour, and on my Morphe R39 brush I'm just going to pick a little bit of this up and start applying that to my outer corner, just to kind of deepen up you know, my outer V. I'm just going to drag that shade slightly into my crease as well. Not too far in, just like a little bit into my crease there. Now I'm just going to get into the shade Passion, which is this shade just right here at the end, and on my Morphe E17 brush I'm going to pick a little bit of that up and just slightly apply this into my crease, just to further deepen up just between, you know, like this outer corner here and just so far into the crease there. Okay, so I'm going to move on to some of the shimmery shades, but first I'm going to cut my crease slightly. So I'm going to just use my L'Oreal Infallible pomade to do this. Okay, so I'm now going to pick up the shade Wild Child, which is this shade just right here, and I'm going to use this little brush here, which is from BH Cosmetics. It came in a little polka dot brush set, so I'm just going to use that to apply the shade. Now I'm just going to pick this up dry first, and then I might wet it with Fix Plus. In fact, I'm just going to change to this little brush here. Like, I don't know what brand this is from. So I'm just going to use this little brush because that one wasn't really picking anything up really. So I'm just going to use this one and just keep applying it into my inner corner here. Again, this is still dry, so it's very subtle like this, so it definitely needs some Fix Plus or something like that to really bring out the kind of foiliness to it. Okay, so I'm now just going to wet the brush, so I've got a little bit on the brush just now. I'm just going to use my MAC Fix Plus. Okay, so I'm now going to apply the shade Celestial, which is this purple shade just right here. So I'm just going to use the little brush from the palette, and I'm going to use this side here. I'm just going to pick this up dry first, and then I'll probably wet it as well. Okay, so now that we've got this little kind of stripe bit in the middle here, I'm just going to pick up a little bit more of that Wild Child shade on a pencil brush. This is a Sigma E30 brush, and I'm just going to sort of like connect the purple with the pink shade there, just so it doesn't look as harsh of a line. Okay, so on a pencil brush, this is a BH Cosmetics 101 pencil. I'm going to pick up the shade Drama, which is this deep purpley shade at the end here, and I'm just going to apply this where I applied that Celestial shade and these matte shades. I'm just going to sort of like connect the Celestial with the mattes. Yeah, so I'm just going to apply it just right here, just a little bit of it. Okay, so I'm quickly going to do the exact same on the other eye, and then I'll come back and I'll finish off like on the lower lash line and like the inner corner and everything. Okay, so I'm now going to go onto my lower lash line, and I'm going to pick up the shade Love, which is that shade there, on my Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm going to run this along my lower lash line. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Volatile, and I'm just going to do the exact same and run that along my lower lash line. Okay, so I'm going to take the shade Passion on my Sigma E15 flat definer brush, and I'm just going to use this to push that shade right up close to my lower lash line. Now on my Sigma E30 pencil brush, I'm just going to take a little bit of Wild Child here and just apply that into the inner portion of my lower lash line, just to sort of mimic the look at the top there. Okay, and on that same Sigma E30 brush, I'm just going to pick up Celestial, which is the purple shade here, and just apply that right next to the Wild Child shade and dragging it backwards. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little bit of the shade Dreamer, which is the shade right here, on my Morphe M506 brush. I'm just going to apply that right into my inner corner, just to sort of brighten up in there and give a little pop. Okay, so that shade made like such a difference to this look. Like, it literally just amps it up like a million times. It's so nice. Just applying a little bit of that along my brow bone as well. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is apply some winged liner. I'm going to use my Maybelline Master Ink to do that, and I'm also going to run the Rimmel Exaggerate eye definer in my waterline as well, and I'm also going to apply my mascara as well, which I'm going to use this here, which is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Okay guys, so this is the completed eye look, and on my lips I just have my trusty Pisces from Makeup Revolution. So yeah, this is the completed look. I've just popped in some earrings as well just to make this look a little bit more fancy. I am absolutely loving this eye look. I think it's gorgeous. It's really kind of unique and just so romantic and just pretty and just so feminine. I just love it. So overall, I really love this palette. You know, I love all the purples, the pinks, the rose golds and everything inside it. It's a very kind of unique, very kind of feminine, very pretty palette. I love at the top row is all shimmers and the bottom row is all mattes. I think the mattes perform really nicely. Like, they are very pigmented, which is great. They're very smooth, they blend out lovely, like they're not like patchy or anything like that. So yeah, I do love them. Like, I tried 1, 2, 3 mattes down there I believe, so I still got a few to try out, but they're lovely. And the shimmers at the top are really nice as well, but they do need to be like amped up with like Fix Plus, so I think, to let the shimmer stand out or to let the foiliness stand out. But like, once you do, they are gorgeous. Like, as you can see, like, I just love how it's looking on my eyes. I really love this shade here, which is called Dreamer. That is like the perfect inner corner highlight. Like, it is so pretty, and I think I'll use that a lot for like many different eye looks because I think it's just the perfect, you know, shade for in there. Yeah, it's gorgeous. It's super pigmented as well. Like, a lot more pigmented than the Wild Child shade in that, but that could just be the type of brush that I did use. It was a slightly different brush, but yeah, overall I absolutely love this look. I love this palette. I think it's gorgeous. I love the little brush as well. You know, that performs really nicely. Like, sometimes the brushes that you get in these palettes are not the best, but this one is actually really nice. Like, the puffy side here is really great for, you know, blending out all the shadows, and this side was really good for packing on that celestial shade there. Like, it really made that stand out a lot, so I do like the little brush in it. I love the packaging design as well. Like, the purple shade is really pretty. It is like a velvet finish, like material on it, so it probably will get really dirty, but it's really pretty. And just like all Anastasia palettes are all velvety, I believe. But yeah, it's a gorgeous palette. I absolutely love it, and I highly recommend it to you guys. So that is it for the Anastasia Norvina palette tutorial. I really hope you like this look. Let me know what you think about it down below in the comment section, and if you did really like this video, then remember to give it the big thumbs up. Come and follow me over on Instagram. I will just leave my hand right here, and also hit the subscribe button if you are brand new to my channel, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye! Mwah.